Hey guys, today it's a girls' day. Woo, party! So it's me, Mom, and Leia because Dad's working today, and today we're at Disney Springs for just a few hours. Pin trading, mostly. That's basically why we're here. Let's go pin trade.
Gonna check out Disney Ever After. Leia watched some TikToks and heard there might be a pin board in here, so we're gonna check it out. I found the pin board. What?
Not anymore.
What's this one?
I don't know. Leia's taking the one that I want.
Which one? Oh.
Oh, I didn't know that.
First stop, a success. Next up is the Welcome Center. Success number 2. We just stopped in Disney Style. We're not expecting a pin board, but we checked it out. And Leia found one. Cute little store. Now we're on to Marvel Superhero Headquarters. Oh, just kidding. Star Wars Galactic Outpost.
Like a business or what? Like a business? Yeah.
Do you want one? No. Does she keep getting the good ones before
Yes.
you do?
What?
You gotta let your sister have first choice next time.
She'd be getting to it first. And oh, that's fine. Yeah,
I know.
Me too. I wanted to give a good one for that, so I pulled out one of my traders for other people.
Oh, yeah?
Because I didn't like these are really good. So I
Good.
don't want to give a bad one.
Now we're going into Marvel Superhero Headquarters.
Oh, that's so embarrassing.
You gotta talk. You can't just have quietness. Yes, please.
Because I've been wanting that for little one for a while.
Oh.
No, it's all you.
I like their doors. It's cool. Alright, we stopped at Chicken Guy. Leia, show us what you got. Buffalo mac and cheese chicken sandwich. The OG special sauce and pickle. Katie and I both got that.
Wait,
It's a big sandwich.
let me look at the chicken first. It's weird. The chicken reminds me of like the breading. Tastes like a mozzarella stick.
What happened?
Move out, hot, move.
Oh, do you want the tray? Oh.
It's moving out hot,
How is it, Lou? How's yours?
It's very hard to eat.
It's hard to eat? Yeah. All right, we're gonna enjoy. What did we get, Lou?
The seasonal drink, I think holiday drink. That's good.
Yeah? It's the holiday drink. I think it has cookie butter, caramel, obviously some little M&Ms. I'm not sure what else. Okay,
So, Mom, I just can't with Mom. I just can't. Okay. Chicken guy, their sandwich was actually super good. I got the OG, I think is what it was called.
Yeah.
It had 2 chicken tenders, sauce and pickles, and it was really good. The fries were good. I don't know. I enjoyed it. What about you, Leia?
Yeah, I like my sandwich and I like the fries, but then I like Mom's sandwich more.
So the OG.
Yeah.
What did you think?
It was good. Very filling. The fries had like a nice dusting of something sweet on them.
We're in the co-op. Another pin board.
Sure.
What do we have here, girls?
The wave Pluto bubble wand.
That's cute.
Is
Who
it
is
the
it?
Donald one?
Yeah, I think that's Donald.
That's cute.
Let me see. Donald, okay, I got my
What'd you get?
I got one of the hats.
Let me see. Oh, you got Tiana.
I wanted one with one of the hats. I really want, they have a Tower of Terror one that I really want, but Tiana's cute.
Okay.
Next.
Put your toys down and hold it for 1 second.
A castle? Ew.
Lauren
Ew.
said if he was gonna have
Show it to me.
I do not want that.
I pick a trading one because someone might be collecting the castles.
Yeah. Ew.
These are all going in my trading.
Yeah. You were
No, I
happy?
like this one. No, I don't care.
I like
I like the castle. I like the idea of the castles, but like, what are we doing here?
What do we think, girls?
This one. But this one. I like. It's
Leia?
so ugly.
I like mine are both good.
You don't
So
even need this bag. We can put the popcorn.
I like the bubble wand
The
one.
bubble. I even looked at the cupcake too.
Do you want this bag for anything? Drop it,
All right.
fold it up. No?
so that was pretty good.
Guys, I just farted.
He's gonna leave that in, you know.
I know.